What's going on, fight fans? This is the MMA Encyclopedia. George Kennebrew here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Warfare 11, domination, and guess what I got next to me? Beast mode. Let me say that again. Beast mode. Marvin Skipper standing next to me in the victory circle, sir. Methodical destruction is all I have to say. Walk me through it.
Just went beast mode on the guy. Trained with the best around here in Myrtle Beach at Grand Strand, Sierra BJJ, and got the best supplements in me. Ronnie Coleman series of supplements, signature series. And I got a great camp, got great coaches like driving formation, cardio coaches, and just went beast mode.
Now, talk about that approach, because, you know, we're used to seeing you coming out aggressive and you get guys in the clinch, you put them up against the cage and you smash them. Did you say, I'm going to be a methodical beast this time? I'm still going to beast on them, but just in a methodical, more calculating fashion.
Yeah, I went down to Black Zillions and Island Bar and Grill, hooked me up with a trip down there, and my main training partner was Diego Silva and Rashad Evans and Rumble Johnson and Eddie Alvarez, and they would show me, they said, be more relaxed, be more controlled. Don't go out there crazy like I always do. And I took their advice and it helped.
Now, just talk about the atmosphere here at Myrtle Beach. I mean, obviously, you've got the hometown crowd in the palm of your hand. They love the beast mode. Just tell me that adrenaline rush and that energy that gets you cranked up right before you go in the cage and beast on your opponents.
When you're around Warfare, man, Warfare brings the crowd. House of Blues, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, puts it on the market. I mean, when you come here, you feel energy. When you walk in, you feel energy. When you're around here, you feel energy. Everywhere you go is energy. And you train with the best, you be the best, and the best is here.
Now talk about the next level as far as your future is concerned. 2014, is this the year of the beast?
This is the year of the beast. I'm not shaving this till I make it to the UFC, baby.
UFC bound, and he's going to unleash a little ground and pound. Marvin Beast Mode Skipper. Marshawn who? Oh yeah, by the way, follow us on Twitter at MMA Mayhem Radio, or we'll get Marvin to come in Donkey Kong yo behind.